Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with Me in the Kitchen Space. In today's episode, let's prepare a very simple rice dish that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. And I'm definitely most sure that you have all these ingredients in your pantry. So we are making some pilau, and with me here I have my list of ingredients. And from this corner I have some onions, and the good base to a good pilau with that rich brown color that you all love is from the onions and not anything else. I have some pilau masala, some ginger and garlic. I also have my rice, and I've already washed my rice. It's drying. I have some salt, and finally I have some meat, and today's meat is goat meat, but you can also use beef or any other meat that you prefer. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my pan is nice, hot and dry, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once my cooking oil is also hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. So for today's recipe, we are going to cook this till they turn golden brown, and there's a difference between golden brown and burning your onions. If you burn your onions, your dish is going to be very bitter, but if you golden brown your onions, it's going to be very delicious. So this may take up to 15 minutes depending on the size of flame that you're using. So I'll keep stirring in intervals so that they do not burn, and I'll see you once my onions are fully golden. So this is about 4 minutes later, and you can see that my onions are almost there. They have just started becoming golden brown, just the color that we want. And I'm going to continue cooking this, and I'll see you in a few. So a couple of minutes later, you can see that there's progress, and it's at this point I'll go in with my ginger. And my onions are almost there, so I'll just give this about a minute and they should be good. So finally, this is the color that we want, a really nice golden brown. And at this point, I'll go in with my I've added in my meat. And that there was raw meat, but you can also use pre-boiled meat, but since goat meat doesn't really take long to cook, I decided to use it as it was. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for a couple of minutes, then I'll be back to adding my other ingredients. So this is about 5 or so minutes later. I'll go in with my garlic. Then I'm also going to add in my pilau masala. Then I'm pretty sure that my meat is almost ready. So I'm just going to add in a few mLs of water. And you can already see the brown color that we always want. This is looking yummy already. I'll add some more. Then I'm going to let this cook for another 2-3 minutes thereabout. Then I'll be back to add in my rice and we'll be almost done with the recipe. And look at this beautiful color that we have. So this is looking very beautiful, and this is brought by the onions that we used. So at this point I'll add in my rice, and remember to always wash your rice. Then I'll also go in with some salt. Then I'll mix this well. And you can already see the magic. Rice is looking very beautiful. It also smells delicious. So once I'm pretty sure that everything is well combined, the spices, the beef, the rice, I'll go in with my water. So I've used 1 huge glass of water of rice. I'll use the same glass to measure my water, and I'm going to add in 2 glasses. Then I'll add in the second one. Then I'll cover this and I'll see once my rice is almost ready. Yeah. My gas is dying on me. On him. Oh, it's gone. So I'm going to proceed to put this in the oven. As you can see, bado haijaisha maji na gas imeamua kunifanyia ile kitu. So I'm going to pop this in the oven haraka haraka till it's ready. So as you've seen, our rice is ready, and by the way, hii ni mchele tu ya kawaida, the normal rice that you'll find in your cereal shop, not the high end. And you can see imetokea moja moja. And also my gas cooker died on me, but you can see I've popped this into the oven. Na unaona mchele imetokea moja moja, and the sufuria is also clean. So let's give this a test. Utamu kwa hapa manzi. Wow. This is so good. You just have to try it out. So you can serve this with your favorite stew. As you've seen, kagas kangu kameisha, so I'm just going to be having it as it is. And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also try this recipe na utaipenda. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.